Morning from Carney Camper. I hope everybody is doing well. There's a couple things I want to showcase this morning, especially about cleaning the RV and a couple tricks that I found that work for me. You'll have to ignore the dishes that I have piled up here on the stove in a second. But the one thing I want to show is that, you're going to have dirty rags and you're going to have stuff that you want separate for your laundry. So the one thing that has worked for me is I actually, on my laundry basket, like on the side, I just took a hanger and then I just took one like an old Whole Foods bag or bag that I have, and I just kind of attached it, and then that way I can throw when I'm cleaning any dirty rags or anything in there, so it makes it nice and convenient. So when I'm ready to go do my laundry at any location that I'm at, I can just go ahead and grab it and take everything down, and it all remains together. So if there is something I don't want to particularly touch in there, I don't have to again. I can just dump everything in the bag straight into the laundry machine and it's good to go. So that's one trick. One other thing I do want to highlight, and this is just something that I found for me about like once a week to protect the surface. I mean, there is, I think depending on the RV, there's certain surfaces that work a little bit better than others, or stay cleaner. For me, just to preserve it, just especially around the sink, so it doesn't get kind of wet, or a lot of food materials around there when I'm doing dishes, is I just take some rags and just kind of put them around a couple different spots, like normally around like the sink, and then kind of to the side, which again, I have dirty dishes there, so ignore that. So then that way they're just kind of there. It preserves that surface. Once a week, I can clean it, disinfect it, get rid of that rag. But it's just something that I found, that helps over time, just really kind of preserve that area. Another thing is to just kind of keep on hand is coarse magic erasers. Kind of the rags, the main sink that you really use just gets so grimy. So I'm in the process right now of just trying to get that one clean. So the one thing that almost wouldn't hurt is to maybe kind of rotate out your sinks. So when you're using them, that way one particularly doesn't get more grimy than the other. And it doesn't take you as long to keep that one as white and in perfect shape. I know it all is still a little dirty, but it's being cleaned up today. So just wanted to kind of share those tips. Hope that you're having a good one, and I'll see you later.